Okay, just a small update. This is where we got, and again, got some screws and some rivets. All the holes are sealed with marine grade sealant, so they shouldn't leak. And today we're going to address this thing right here. We're going to put the piece of metal back on, a new piece, and try to seal those holes so that they don't leak. Of course, that center hole's a drain. We'll put the drain in that. And then we'll put a fresh piece of aluminum over top of this and get it riveted in place. We've also got our cap coming to fit over the top of this, so we'll try to fit that on. Then we'll be able to go ahead and rivet this piece in place and move on from there. Again, just by way of update, I did go ahead and work on this yesterday, getting the batteries back in, getting the fuel tank back in. So things are looking really good, moving ahead. Should get this thing knocked out maybe today, maybe a couple days, we'll see. Super dull, eh?
No, it's
watch out now, hot now. You don't want me to get that?
No, it's not at all. It's got the chunky. We need to take the chunky out.
Ooh, that paint's warm. Warm, bro. Grab it. Through the glove, man. I think I got it. Oh, I'm picking that up.
She was right there at it.
Yeah. Probably there the whole time.
I mean, it had like another eighth of an inch. Look at that. I mean, it was like right there.
Yeah. Quite like it did a minute ago, huh?
Alright, I'm in. I'm good to go. My side's good.
Something's catching somewhere.
Yeah, I'm done all the way over to here. what it is. Okay, this thing is gonna. This has got to rotate up.
Yeah.
And you see the hole?
I don't think the hole is fully exposed to start with, which may be a problem too. Once we get the seat in there, I'm going to have to take it back out and put that piece in there.
Because when you rotate this up to get this end down, these things here are going to be up by the top.
Rotate.
I'm lined up with my holes and everything here.
We had it fitted a minute ago, so it's going to fit again. Just don't know where. Okay, just a little update on the boat. Looks like today's the day to hang the motor. Still going to have somebody weld this seam up where we had to cut it and get the back end off. But this is what we've done. Put a new, thicker, reinforced plate here to hold a heavier motor if someone needs a heavier motor on it. Added another piece, same thickness on the inside. And that'll help someone hold a motor up there. I'm trying to get it in the picture. Doing a terrible job. There it is. Okay, so that'll help hold the motor. We're just going to put a 9.9 on it, but that'll be fine. We got our little drain hole cut and sealed up there with the brass insert there. I'm going to get some black Flex Seal and paint over all these rivets and screws just to double seal those. I'm going to put a screw here and a screw on that end. Help hold that up. It's real nice and tight. That's the cap on top of the transom there. And I'm going to put 3 screws across these holes. And that'll pull into the bottom of this and hopefully pull this gap out when I start cranking down on the nuts. Can't get a rivet to do it, so we're going to go with that. All right, and then we'll hang that motor. So she's moving right along. Hopefully it'll sell quickly. All right, let's see how this goes. I'm about to recruit some young help. So I want to get this thing greased up good first. Already put some grease up inside the motor side. Hopefully this thing will go back together a whole lot easier than it came apart. Got some grown man help coming out this evening, but I'm hard-headed, don't want to wait. Pull this motor off this stand. Get one of them boys to ease that steering cable up in here. We should be fine. Maybe don't find my help. Okay, so I recruited help of a couple of 12-year-old men. Help them come anyway. They were able to feed the steering cable through while I held the motor up. So she's on there hanging, just going to center it up and finish mounting that thing down. Drill a couple of holes through the bottom down here, and she'll be ready to roll. It's going to look good. So I just got to get my fenders welded up and we'll be ready to go to the water.